Ever wondered if Stripe is really the solution to your payment processing woes, or just another tech buzzword? Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into the real Stripe. Not just the marketing hype, we're exploring what Stripe means, which is all about sharing actual user experiences with this powerful platform. Think of it as learning from the trenches. So, what kind of insights can you expect? First off, let's talk about successful integrations. Many users will share how they seamlessly integrated Stripe into their websites, apps, or platforms, boosting their revenue and customer satisfaction, and saving time by automating tasks. Of course, it's not always smooth sailing. Users also openly discuss the challenges they've faced, like navigating complex APIs, dealing with fraud prevention, or ensuring PCI compliance. Knowing these potential hurdles can save you a ton of headaches down the line. But the most exciting part is discovering innovative applications. Stripe is more than just taking payments. We see users designing unique subscription models, building thriving marketplaces, and creating custom payment flows that give them a competitive edge. That's what Stripe is all about: real stories, real challenges, and real solutions. So, if you have a Stripe experience to share, good, bad, or groundbreaking, leave a comment down below. Your insights could help another entrepreneur unlock the true potential of Stripe.